Hello, look here. BB is laying in the sun. It's going to be hot today. Say hi, BB. There's BB's ball. And there's a chair when I sit sometimes. Do you know that this is the last week of school? And today I'm going to read you a fun book. I hear a bird. And the book is called There is a Bird on Your Head. Isn't that appropriate that I'm hearing a bird right now? Somewhere in one of those trees. Do you hear it? I'll be quiet. Okay. There is a bird on your head. We're going to read some fun books this week. There's a bird on your head, says the piggy to the elephant, by Mo Willems. I'm still hearing that bird. Okay. Piggy and elephant are sitting, and here comes a what? What is that? A bird. And look where it's going to land. Right on elephant's head. Piggy. He scares Piggy half to death. Is something on my head? And Piggy says, yes. There's a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head? Question mark. He's asking a question. Piggy's smiling. Ah! He goes running off. And Piggy looks a little surprised, and here's the bird. Is there a bird on my head now? No. But look who's coming. Two birds. Okay. Now there are two birds on your head. Look at the look on his face. And Piggy's like raising his hands like, I don't know. I don't know why they want to land on your head. What are two birds doing on my head, says Elephant. They are in love. Can't get this book to some pages to stay down. The birds on my head are in love. They are lovebirds. Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? Piggy doesn't know. Yep, they sure are. I'm afraid to ask. What's going on? Do I have an egg on my head? Yep, I see 1, 2, 3. He lifts Piggy up so he can see. I see some eggs in that nest. 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news, says Piggy. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Boy, that was fast. Hold on. Okay, if I'm just going one page, I think I'm going 2. Hatching? What? The eggs on my head are hatching. Cheep, cheep, cheep. The little birds are talking. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Asked Piggy. Ah! Somewhere else. And there's Piggy flying upside down because the elephant is yelling. Why not ask them to go somewhere else, says Piggy. Ask them. Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. And the mommy and the daddy bird are taking the 3 little babies in the nest somewhere else. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. That was a good idea Piggy had. You are welcome. Now where are they? They're on Piggy's head. Ha ha ha.